பிக் பாஸ் பார்க்க முடியாதுன்னு கவலைப்படுறீங்களா? ஃபுல் எபிசோடை பற்றி டாமினிக் சொன்னாலே பார்த்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீல் கிடைச்சிரும். அப்படி தினமும் பிக் பாஸை ரிவ்யூ பண்ணக்கூடிய டாமினிக்கின் பிக் பாஸ் ரிவ்யூ ஷோவை மறக்காம பாருங்க. நான் அதை பார்த்து நிறைய அப்டேட்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறேன். அப்புறம் ஏதோ ஒரு அப்படின்னு கமெண்ட்ஸில் படித்தேன், பார்த்து தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க.
தூய கல்ச்சக்கு எண்ணிக்கை Neha oil.
I like dogs, but I don't have anything because I don't have time for taking care. That's the reason. Otherwise, I like dogs. Ad shoots, yeah. All I think maximum ramp models are just going for ad shoots. So both are similar. You can say it's a two sides of one coin. Personally, I don't know, but obviously, whole night we were just shooting there. Everyone with Hansika Motwani. I'm telling you, no, we did shoot with that when I started. I think before 2.5 years. So that time I saw him. Innoda Valke ille Katir Kamam. Yeah, I saw them on road, but personally I don't know anyone because a lot.
Okay. So
because I don't know even Tamil when I started.
Okay.
Even I didn't have any contact. So it's, you can say I started with zero. So I visited many for auditions, meetings. Then only now my touch wood. Maximum people. But go slowly. Then only I can just repeat the shoot. So they will take care. Even director, they will call me. Have you reached there? Are you safe? Means they are very caring.
Okay.
I like that. Even my parents are saying, "Are you coming back to Delhi?" I'm just watching Surya sir's movies because it's coming in Delhi itself. So I don't know much about that Tamil industry. So his pictures was coming usually. So that, hi, this is Lekha Deya here. I'm a fashion model and you are watching me at talksofcinema.com.
Talks of Cinema presents இன்னைக்கு ரொம்பவே ஸ்பெஷலான ஒரு எபிசோடா இருக்க போகுது. ஸோ இந்த ஸ்பெஷலான எபிசோட நம்ம கூட யார் இருக்கா அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சுலேகா தயா ஃபேஷன் மாடலா இருக்காங்க. வெல்கம் டு மை ஷோ.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. எப்படி
இருக்கீங்க? எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
நல்லா இருக்கீங்க.
ஆக்சுவலா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே ஐ வில் கிவ் யூ a disclaimer to my audience. என்னோட ஆடியன்ஸ் எல்லாருமே ஒரு டிஸ்க்ளைமர் போட விரும்புறேன். என்னன்னா, மேடம் only know English, but I don't know English because I am facing கொஞ்சம் இங்கிலீஷ், கொஞ்சம் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. எவ்வளவு கமெண்ட் ஆனாலும் வந்து என்ன மட்டுமே கமெண்ட்ல பண்ணுங்க. கரெக்டான இங்கிலீஷ் தான் பேசணும். So how are you?
I'm good.
You're good. How you got interest in fashion?
No, actually that was my dream from childhood. Actually, I wanted to be in fashion industry. So, but slowly things are happening if you have interest in something. So, like that, I just came here for study, and slowly I started small project. Then things are going well now.
Okay. What the things are you learned in the lockdown? What the things are you learned in the lockdown?
Lockdown, see, I was spending time with myself itself.
Okay.
Completely. I was sleeping because before lockdown, I was just running in there for work. So, but during lockdown, fully I was sleeping and I was having food and nothing much. It was fun.
Okay.
And
how? So,
that full time was with my family. So, it was fun.
Okay. Do you anything, any pet animals?
I like dogs, but I don't have anything because I don't have time for taking care. That's the reason. Otherwise, I like dogs.
Okay. So you acted in a Sudha Dekura movie right now?
Yeah.
Right? Oh, okay. Tell about the experience with Sudha Kongara and Surya sir.
No, he's very sweet.
Okay.
And, I like him, Surya sir, because
you like him?
He's very sweet.
Okay.
So when I saw him first time, so I was just looking like, oh, he's a Surya sir. Then my friend, she said, hey, you have to act, just say dialogues. So after that, okay, I won't look at him, otherwise I will forget my dialogues. So like that I did. That was my first experience with him. Oh my god, he's a Surya sir.
Okay, super. List out your favorite actors in Tamil.
First Surya sir.
First Surya, okay.
Second Arya.
Yeah. Okay, Arya, okay.
And third one Kamal sir.
Okay. Do you like Tala Ajit?
Yeah, I like him.
You like you so much, ah? Illa kamiyava.
No, first is Surya sir. Second, you can just
okay.
anyone.
For what that reason behind the list out the actors? Abhina?
No, from my childhood, I'm just watching Surya sir's movies because it's coming in Delhi itself. So I don't know much about that Tamil industry. So his pictures was coming usually. So that's why I know him. Oh, he's a Surya. Oh, he's a nice actor. Like that. After that, Kamal sir.
Okay.
So I watched Kamal sir movies itself.
Okay.
So like that I know him. When I entered in Tamil industry, so slowly I'm just learning who's in which side and who's doing what and what's the movies. That's
So
it.
you like these people. So I'll give you a punch battle. We are moving a punch battle. Like I'll give you a punch dialogues. The Tamil actors punch dialogue. You will repeat in Tamil.
Okay. Just
Okay.
Yeah.
It's interesting, you know.
Yeah, it's
First வந்து தலைவர் ரஜினிகாந்த், you know, தலைவர் ரஜினிகாந்த், சூப்பர்
Superstar.
அவரோட டைலாக். ஓகே. அசோக்,
Ashok.
இந்த நாள்
இந்த நாள்
உன் காலண்டர்ல குறிச்சு வச்சுக்கோ.
உண்டு
காலண்டர்ல நோட் பண்ணி வச்சு காலண்டர் குறிச்சு வச்சுக்கோ.
கேலண்டர் புச்சு
புச்சுனாங்க குறிச்சி வச்சுக்கோ, நோட் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோ. மீன்ஸ்
கேலண்டர் குறிச்சி
குறிச்சி வச்சுக்கோ. நீ எப்படி என்னோட வீடு ஹோம்
என்னோட
வீட்டை இடிச்சி தரமட்டமாக்கி என்னைய நடு ரோட்ல நிக்க வச்சியோ he is standing him நிக்க வச்சியோ. அதே மாதிரி அதாவது லைக் தட். அதே மாதிரி நானும் உன் வீட்டை இடிச்சி இடிச்சி உன்னைய நடு ரோட்ல நிக்க வச்சு நிக்க வைக்கல நான் அண்ணாமலை இல்ல. ஓகே, இது வந்து தலைவர். Do you like தலைவர்?
Yeah, I like
Okay,
him.
next
He's a
is-
superstar.
Superstar.
Everyone likes him.
அதுக்கப்புறம் கமல் சார். ஓகே, we'll go.
Yeah. But go slowly, then only I can just
Okay,
repeat.
okay. என்னோட கண்ணு வேணும்னு சொன்னியாமே.
என்னோட கண்ணு வேடு சொன்னியாமே. என்னோட கண்ணு
Do like this.
No, என்னோட கண்ணு
வேணும் அப்படின்னு
வேணும்
சொன்னியாமே. இப்போ எடுத்துக்கோடா. எடுத்துக்கோடா means take from me. Take from me. The dialogue was like how to that you roll away. That dialogue was meaning in do you need my eyes? Please come and take from me. அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு that's a very very rosa dialogues of India. அதுக்கப்புறம் நெக்ஸ்ட் கமல் சார். அடுத்து வந்து அஜித். என்னோட வாழ்க்கையில ஒரு நாளும் ஒரு நிமிஷமும் ஒரு நொடியும் நானா செதுக்குனதுடா. ஓகே you doing well. அதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்தீங்க அப்படின்னா தளபதி விஜய்.
Okay.
காடுனா நான் சிங்கம். காத்துனா சூறாவளி. கடல்னா திமிங்கலம். என்ன தளபதி டயலாக் மட்டும் ரொம்ப ஃப்ளோவா வருது. How you know Tamil?
No, I don't.
Okay, you don't know. Yeah, understand. Because நீங்க வந்து இந்த interview.
I'm just looking how your pronunciation is there, so I'm just copying that.
Okay. So தளபதி.
Even I don't know meaning.
Okay. Next one, Surya sir.
Yeah.
Which film you like most, the Surya sir film?
You just tell any dialogue.
If you pick the movie anyone, I will take the dialogue.
That Surya Potro any.
Surya Potro which dialogue? ஐயோ, இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா beep word எல்லாம் வருமே.
Okay, any old picture no issue.
Because that beep words, lots of beep words in this word, so I don't pick it. So next to Surya sir's dialogue. ஓடு மீன் ஓட.
Once again.
ஓடு மீன் ஓட. ஒரு மீன் வருமென. காத்திருக்குமாம். கொக்கு. அது போல உன்னைய நான் கண்ணி வச்சு புடிச்சிருக்கேன். எப்படி dialogue, very big dialogue, you know. That's a small dialogues of Surya sir's movie. Singham, you know Singham movie. Singham movie.
But I watched Bollywood.
He was a cop in this movie.
No, I watched from Bollywood.
Okay. Then Surya sir, next Arya dialogue.
Yeah.
ஆர்யா சார் வந்து நிறைய படம் நடிச்சிருக்காரு. அவர் எல்லாமே வந்து ரொமான்ஸ் படம் நடிச்சிருக்கனால எதுல இருந்து அவரோட டைலாக் தருதுல ஓப்பனா சொல்றேங்க. ஓப்பனா சொல்றேன்.
ஓப்பனா சொல்றீங்க.
உங்களை எப்படி கரெக்ட் பண்றதுன்னு தெரியல. ஐடியா சொல்லுங்க. ஓகே, பஞ்ச் பேட்டர் சூப்பரா. இப்போ நீங்க எனக்கு ஒரு பஞ்ச் பேட்டர் கொடுக்கலாம். மீன்ஸ் you give me a punch dialogue in English. அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த பஞ்சில் வந்து மேம் ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் சூஸ் பண்ணிக்க. நீ எப்படி எனக்கு தமிழில் கொடுத்தியோ உனக்கு நான் வந்து அடுத்து ஹிந்திலே இங்கிலீஷ்ல டைலாக் கொடுப்பேன், நீ ரிப்பீட் பண்ணேன். இதுவரையும் இன்டர்வியூ பார்த்து பாதி பேர் வந்து மனசு எடுத்துருப்பீங்க. ஸோ அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த பஞ்ச் பேட்டர்னு ஒன்று இருக்குது. எவ்வளோ பேச போகிறேன் தெரியல. ஸோ ஸ்டார்ட் மீ சொல்லுங்க. ஸ்டார்ட் த பேட்டர். मैं खाना खाता हूँ. मैं खाना नहीं, एक actually I did one ad for Hindi dictionary. Okay, Hindi dictionary ad. Hindi dictionary ad. So there's some line as एक गांव में एक किसान रहता था. இது किससे கேட்டினா எல்லாருமே தெரிஞ்ச டயலாக். एक किसान एक गांव में रहता था. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? तुम भी देखा दोगे दारासनम. அப்புறம் तुम की हो this was तुमने देखा तो ये जाना सनम. இதெல்லாம் கேட்டினா தமிழ் பீப்புள்ஸ் ஆல்சோ நோ தட் ஹிந்தி வேர்ட்ஸ். சோ டெல் மீ another some words apart from this. சம்பவம் வாய்ப்பு போதே इट्स a सलमान खान डायलॉग வேற லெவல். ஓகே. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. मुझ पे एहसान करना. वेट, just two words. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. मुझ पर कोई एहसान मत करना. मुझ पर कोई एहसान मत करना. कोई एहसान मत करना. Actually this is from Dabangg movie. Okay. हमारा नाम क्या है? हमारा नाम हमारी पर्सनालिटी को शोभा देता है. Okay, correct. हाँ, next one more. Okay. चुलबुल पांडे उफ रॉबिन हुड पांडे. चुलबुल पांडे उफ रॉबिन हुड पांडे. जय हो आम आदमी सोता हुआ शेर है. उंगली मत करना, something like that. I don't know what's the next, but it's a उंगली मत करना. Yeah, it's don't show me finger. Ungali means Tamil is you. Ungali means Tamil as you. No, so, but in Hindi, it's Ungali means don't show me finger. Okay. Ungali mat karna. Yeah, that's it. Okay. இது கர்மா கிடையாது, இது வந்து கர்மா. நான் உங்களுக்கு கேள்வி கேட்டதனால எனக்கு கொடுக்குற கர்மா. So, Simon, we'll back to interview. So, how interested this that's interesting. Okay, interesting. Then we talk about fashion. That's a challenge. Lot of challenges you see here. Yeah, a lot. Okay. So because I don't know even Tamil when I started. Okay. Even I didn't have any contact. So it's, you can say I started with zero. So I visited many for auditions, meetings. Then only now my touch wood. Maximum people knows me, and by God grace today even I signed one national project. It's from Delhi. It's when doctor teams came here. Today I think they arrived. So suddenly they told me that there is one project. Are you ready? This is for national TV. So by God grace I signed that itself. So might be again in January few things are going to fix. I'm going to sign few things. So okay. Do you know Tamil? Yeah. But how do you challenge? It's really difficult because sometimes they ask me, you have to learn dialogues. Even I don't know how to pronounce. So they will ask me, they will give me full paper. So Likha, you have to learn the dialogues. So before one night they will give me, and full night I will just read dialogue. Oh my God! But again, in starting, what happened? When I'm going to start shooting and camera is there, full night I was learning dialogues. When they said, "Na, start." I'm completely blank. No, I forgot all dialogues. I forgot all dialogues. So they will say, okay. Then they will just give prompting, and someone will just say dialogues, and I will just say, yeah, I'll give only lip movement like that. Even these things also happen. And they will manage. Yeah, they are dubbing. Yeah, dubbing la manage பண்ணிப்பாங்க. So audience.
But people are very good here in Tamil Nadu. So wherever I am going, they are supporting me a lot.
Tamil Nadu people are so good, you know,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
sweet persons
Yeah.
of India.
Really, I'm happy because
Okay.
wherever I'm going, they will give me special treatment. They are giving me a lot of love and care. So even I'm coming in night itself after shoot. So they will take care. Even director, they will call me. Have you reached there? Are you safe? Means they are very caring.
Okay.
I like that. Even my parents are saying, "Are you coming back to Delhi?" I'm saying, "No, I'll be here only."
Tamil Nadu only. Okay.
Yeah.
Which place you most like in Tamil Nadu?
Chennai.
Chennai. Chennai.
Because Chennai is my I'm staying here. My
Okay,
house
okay.
is here. Most of
Okay.
the time I'm spending time here. I'm going for shoot, but maximum time I'm here in my home.
Most lovable place in Chennai.
Marina Beach.
Marina Beach. Only Marina Beach.
Yeah, Basin Beach also. I like
Okay.
beaches.
So your free time என்ன பண்ணீங்க?
I'll go beach or for long drive. I'll go like that
In Tamil Nadu.
in Chennai.
In Chennai. So audience thinking audience என்ன பண்ணா அவங்க என்ன பேசுறாங்க உங்களுக்கு புரியுதா நீங்க எனக்கு அவங்க என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா இப்படிதான் ஸ்கிரிப்ட்லாம் ரெடி ஆயிருமா கேமரா நின்றுட்டு இருப்பாங்க திடீர்னு ஆக்ஷன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்க அப்படியே முடிச்சுட்டு இருப்பாங்க என்ன பண்றது தெரியாம அதுக்கப்புறம் பாத்தீங்கன்னா பின்னாடி ப்ராம்ப்டிங் கொடுத்து நீ டைலாக் மட்டும் லிப் மூவ்மெண்ட் மட்டும் கொடுங்கம்மா நாங்க வந்து டப்பிங்ல பாத்துக்கணும் சொல்றாங்க ஒரு விஷயம் சொன்னாங்க எப்படி அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கேன் அந்த செட்ல எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ டிஃபரன்ஸ் பிட்வீன் மூவிஸ் அண்ட் ஆட் ஃபிலிம்ஸ்.
Yeah, it's a very huge difference is there.
okay.
Yeah. Ad film is only for one day shoot.
Okay.
It's I think it will come only for few minutes only. If you are going for movies, so definitely you need to learn lot of dialogues and you need lot of things, and you have to give time a lot. So it's very huge difference.
Very huge difference.
Yeah.
Then so lot of problems faced by women like media people sir. So என்னென்ன ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் நீங்க ஃபேஸ் பண்ணி வந்திருக்கீங்க?
No, I didn't face any problem
Okay.
regarding that because I'm, as I said, their people are very supporting and very caring. So I don't think so. There is any problem. Everything is good, but only small issue is there because
Okay.
my face and my look is completely north side.
North side, okay.
Yeah, and their audience wants only south look.
Okay.
So sometime they will say, no, we need only south look. She is completely north piece. So
Okay.
that is only a little issue. Otherwise, everything is good. Even it's not like that, but I did few projects in Tamil look itself. I think last time I did for Sarvana
Sarana stores.
calendar shoot I did.
Okay,
So
okay,
they
okay.
just made me completely like they gave me two looks, one north look, bride look, one south look. And
Okay.
before that I did for even dhoti.
Hmm.
So I went there as a bride. So there also they given me south look, south bride.
South
Yeah.
bride, okay. Do you meet Sarana store Annachi?
No, not personally.
Okay.
But I did one shoot,
Okay.
but that was through coordinator.
Okay,
So
okay.
I did one ad shoot with Hanshika Motwani.
Hansi Komotwani. You know Annachi Sarana store Annachi, you know?
No,
You
not
know?
personally.
Best Sarana, best you know?
Personally, I don't know.
Okay, okay.
But
Professionally,
obviously,
you know?
whole night we were just shooting there. Everyone
Okay.
with Hanshika Motwani. I'm telling you, no, we did shoot with that when I
Okay.
started. I think before 2.5 years.
Okay.
So that time I saw him.
Okay. Because he was an upcoming Tamil film actor, you know?
Yeah.
Real man, because he will act some movies.
Okay.
Act old
That I
movies,
know.
not some movies, act in movies.
That I don't know.
You don't know. So say about your family and supporters.
Yeah, my dad is supporting a lot.
Okay.
My parents are in Delhi. Here I'm staying with my sister.
Okay.
So, but obviously I came here for study. So that time they didn't have idea okay, I'll join modeling. So, but slowly I convinced him. So now he's supporting me a lot. My father, my dad.
Okay.
Yeah. So I can say he's my backbone. So whatever is happening here in night, I think 1 hour, 2 hours, I will talk to him through call and I will explain everything. Dad, today this thing happened, and they said this thing, then he will suggest me, okay, do that, do like that, like that I'm doing. So my dad is my backbone.
Okay. So that is backbone.
Yeah.
Oh, super.
He's supporting me a lot.
That is always backbone of many daughters in India.
Yeah, true.
Okay. True.
Yeah, that's true.
Because the sons are enemies of daddy.
Not like that.
Oh, we are only throwing, adding, biting, kicking, only scolding us. You don't know about. Daddy, we are going to media. Daddy Chapel's dog. Go into your work. Earn money. Cutting AD. Don't go media.
No, actually, my dad, why he is supporting me? Because I'm first daughter in my family who just entered in fashion industry.
Okay.
So actually, that was my dream. So I told him earlier, कि, Dad, I want to go in fashion industry, but he said no. First, you just complete your study, your graduation, then we can just plan something.
Okay.
So like that, he's supporting me, and it's some, you can say कि it's I earned everything.
Okay.
I was zero here. So if I'm doing something, so that's my hard work now. It's showing hard work. So that's why my dad is very happy. At least I'm not wasting my time. I'm not wasting money. I'm earning from myself, and how to say, I'm putting my own struggle
Okay.
without any support.
Hmm.
Yeah, that is big thing for my dad.
Okay, super. You know Pullingos? Chennai Pullingos. Pullingo you don't know?
No.
Then how do you stay in Chennai?
No, tell me, no, might be you are saying something I'm not understanding.
Oh, you don't understand. Pullingo understand. Pullingo is youngsters, Chennai youngster boys, you know.
Yeah.
They are putting some colors, 3 colors in head, and a lot of earrings, earrings, and wearing lot of bands and different color shirts. Orange color shirt, pink color pant.
Yeah.
With your scooty Dio, massive look. You don't know Pullingo? Now you say.
Yeah, I saw them on road, but personally I don't know anyone because I'll tell because she knows Hindi or English.
हेलो
हाँ दीप,
हाँ
मैं ना रोड पे खड़ी हूँ और कोई नई सी जगह है, मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ जाऊँ. पता है यहाँ पे लड़कों का भी कोई गैंग है. इन जनवरी I'm going to sign few things.
Okay.
So if you like this interview, please do like and share the comment. Subscribe the Talks of Cinema.
தூய கல் செக்கு எண்ணெய்க்கு நீஹா ஆயில்.